Ancient Rome wasn't just about emperors and legions. Its engineering feats were revolutionary. Roman roads, like the Appian Way, stretched thousands of miles, facilitating rapid troop movement and trade. These weren't just dirt paths. They were meticulously layered with stone, gravel, and sand, designed for incredible durability. Aqueducts, towering stone channels, delivered millions of gallons of fresh water daily from distant springs to cities. This advanced water supply supported public baths, fountains, and even private homes, a marvel for the ancient world. Perhaps their most groundbreaking innovation was Roman concrete, a material far superior to anything until modern times. This volcanic ash-based concrete could cure underwater, explaining why structures like the Pantheon's dome still stand after millennia. Rome even had sophisticated sewer systems, most famously the Cloaca Maxima, which drained waste into the Tiber River. They pioneered hypocauste systems, underfloor heating for public baths and wealthy villas, a luxury unheard of elsewhere. The Romans engineered a lasting legacy, proving that their true power lay in building an empire that endured.